my lovelies, welcome back to my channel Beauty Blog Studio. I am Divya. So first off, I would like to apologize for being MIA for the last couple of weeks. If you follow me on my Instagram, you would know that I wasn't keeping well and I was hospitalized for a few days, and post that the doctors had prescribed some wrong medications and things went haywire. Anywho, let's not touch that bit now. Coming back to today's video, I will be sharing my thoughts about tada, this Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro Glow palette for you guys. So without further ado, let's quickly get started with the video. So this particular palette comes in this see-through black cardboard box packaging with Revolution Makeup Revolution London and Ultra Pro Glow mentioned over here. It is embossed, and over here as well you would find the same thing on both the sides. So behind over here they have mentioned Revolution Makeup Revolution London Ultra Pro Glow. They have mentioned the ingredients, and they have also given cautions that it is only for adult use and for external use only. Discontinue if rash, redness or any itching occurs. So you have to be careful about that bit. It has been designed and developed in London, UK and made in Republic of China under the license for Tam Beauty. Now Tam Beauty is a part of Makeup Revolution, so it is exclusively prepared for Tam Beauty. Over here on the sticker they have mentioned the manufacturing, the import and the expiry date. So the manufacturing date is July 2016, the import date is Feb 2017, and the expiry date is June 2019. Now I am not sure why the expiry date has been mentioned as June 2019, wherein they say that it is only good for 12 months. So that is something that I did not understand. If you guys would, it would be great if you guys know about it, and if you guys can enlighten me about that bit. So anywho, now coming to the actual product, I'll just remove it from its package. So this is how the actual product looks like. So it comes in this see-through plastic container. It does not have any mirror or any brush, not that we would require any, but just letting you guys know about it. So you receive 8 gorgeous highlighter shades on this particular palette, and I got my hands on this palette from Nykaa's website, and I got it for 1,850 Indian rupees, which is dirt cheap because it approximately comes up to 230 rupees each highlighter shade. So that is really cheap in my opinion. In the US it is available for $18, and in the UK it is available for £10. Initially when you look at it, you may feel that the product looks a little pretty when you look at it up close. But that is not the case because the formulation is quite silk-like and buttery. So this is how it is, and it is quite buttery and silk-like. You can see it glides onto the skin really well, and there is nothing harsh to it, I would say. So yeah, also it is super pigmented, and you can build the intensity as you go. So that is one thing that I really appreciate about it. If you're just going for a casual office wear or something, you can just build the intensity accordingly and just create a natural glow. Now with the same palette, you can create a night out lightning glow effect as well. So it is a quite versatile palette, I would say. It is so universal that you get almost all the highlighter shades in just one palette. So you can, so here are the pearlescent shades. Then you get your pinks, you get your bronze, and so on and so forth. So it is ultimately a very gorgeous highlighter palette, I would say. Also the best thing that I like about this particular palette is that you can mix and match the shades and create your own customized shade. So if you want something that probably you must have seen in a high-end brand, and that is something that you are not finding in a cheaper version, probably you can just mix and match and create your own highlighter shade. And I guess there's nothing like it. That is the best part about this particular palette, I would say. So yeah, those are the things that I wanted you guys to know about it. Also, you can use these shades on your body as well. If you want to use a body highlighter and you haven't used any and you want to get your hands on a body highlighter, prior to that you can just give this a try, and probably you would know whether you want to invest on a proper body highlighter or not. So you can use it on your décolletage, on the high points of your face, of course, also on your shoulders. If you want to create a highlighting effect on your body as well, you can use it as a body shimmer as well. So that is one thing that I definitely liked about this. So it is worth every penny that you spend, I would say. Also, I wanted to give you guys an idea about this fact that some of the foreign YouTubers actually compared it with the Anastasia Glow Fix, and they found that this particular palette is much better than the Anastasia Glow Fix. Now, I am not a person who would be able to tell you guys about it, because I personally do not own any Anastasia Glow Fix. So I am not in a position to talk about it. But for me, at least if not comparable to Anastasia Glow Fix, I would say that probably I can use it as a dupe of Anastasia Glow Fix. For me, it could count as a dupe if I do not know it. So that is how I picked it up, and so far I am absolutely in love with the palette, and I'm really looking forward to using much more of it. And for now, I guess I do not need any more highlighter, because since I have an entire palette, I do not require any more highlighter shades right now. Also, I have used this particular highlighter today on my face as well. If you can see on the high points of my cheek, on my nose as well. So on the high points of my cheeks, I have used these two shades together. On my nose, I have used this pink highlighter shade. So that is how I have mixed and matched and applied it on my face. First off, I would swatch the upper row over here, and you can see how those look. How it looks. These are gorgeous highlighter shades, I would say. Here's the first one. Those are the first 4 shades. This is such a versatile palette that it would be suitable for all the skin tones, I would say, from fair to medium to dark skin tones, for all the skin tones. And that's why I guess you would not require any more highlighter. So now coming to the next particular range from here. So these are all the gorgeous highlighter shades in the second row. That is how it looks. Darker skin tones, I would suggest you could always use these 2 shades. Also, pink is a very good shade for you guys. For the paler skin tones, I would suggest you to go ahead with the first and the second shade in the first row. Of course, you can just mix and match and use it, but I would say those are the better shades for you. Also, medium skin tones can use any shade. They can pull off any shade with this particular palette. So yeah, that's about all the 8 gorgeous shades that you receive in this particular palette. I created a dent over here and I'm not happy with it, but anyway, let's continue with it, because if that's what has to happen, it has to happen. Nothing can be done. Yeah. So I would say that it's worth every penny that you spend, and it is an amazing palette, overall a great palette I would say. I will mention the link in the description box below for Nykaa's website as well as Stamp Beauty's website, so you guys can check it out and get it for yourself if you want to. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys like my video, please click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Also, please do share it with your friends and your relatives. It would mean a lot to me. And please do follow me on all my social medias. The links will be mentioned in the description box below. So please do check that out as well. Thank you for your valuable time and your support. Lots of love. Bye.